Rotary District 3141 is one of the premier Rotary districts around the world, doing amazing work for the community. Rotary Year 2021 is a vision year with District Governor Sunil Mehra at the helm of affairs, wherein many new initiatives have been introduced to create a difference and make Rotary seen. There's a Give Us Game project to generate funds out of waste, which will be used to fund for Rotary Foundation for various humanitarian projects. Under the Over is another initiative to beautify Mumbai and create utility spaces below all flyovers. Lots of efforts are also going on towards literacy, malnutrition, youth, health, sanitation, and other verticals. WizBiz Talks is one more initiative, a novel concept in Virginia with an ideology to support Rotarians to support Rotary. WizBiz Talks is also to create more bonding and proximity amongst Rotarians on personal, Rotary, and professional fronts. In these interviews, we speak to visionary Rotarians who, by virtue of their selfless work towards the community, have reached important decisive positions, and their actions today will help Rotary to serve more and make a difference in the community. I am Dr. Manish Motwani, a bariatric surgeon, that's a weight loss surgeon, and also the Chief Coordinator for Rotary District 3141 in the year 2021. Friends, we have a very special guest today, a very close friend of more than 2 decades, and a Rotarian with more than 2 decades of experience in Rotary. Yes, friends, he is none other than Rotarian Suresh Roopchandani from Rotary Club of Ulasnagar Sapna Garden. Yes, friends, he is from District 3142. He is into manufacturing of plastic profiles. Socio-happy human being, doing his bit through foundation as a major donor, community service through Rotary International, and work for his own community through Sindhi Council of India. Suresh has been one of the most hardworking, sincere, versatile, reliable, trustworthy Rotarian friends I have ever met. I have the pleasure of presenting before you a man full of energy, man full of enthusiasm, man full of ambition, who's passionate to take Rotary to a different level, a man who wants to take Rotary a household name, a man who wants to make Rotary a big brand in the field of service. Yes, friends, he is none other than Rotarian Suresh Roopchandani. Hi, Suresh. Suresh, it's a pleasure to have you today with us.
Thank you. Hi, Manish.
Hi, it's a pleasure to have you with us on this forum. Thank you so much for taking out your precious time and to come on this talk show, the WizBiz Talks. This is actually a bonding between 3141 and 3142, and I'm so happy to have you here on this talk show.
Thank you, Manish. First of all, let me congratulate you for this unique initiative taken by you for the WizBiz Talk. When I first heard it from you, I was really astonished about after hearing it. And thanks a lot for giving me the chance to work with DG Sunil Mehra ji and yourself with coordinating committee between 3141 and 3142. It is a pleasure to be here.
Suresh, it's our pleasure that the stalwarts of 3142 are associating with 3141 to take 3141 and 3142 ahead. We are finally 3140. हमें थोड़ा समय ने जुदा किया है, लेकिन दिल तो अब भी साथ है. So that's okay, but we will keep this small strings of connection always live to ensure that 3141 and 3142 are always together. So thanks again, Suresh. Suresh, I have known you, your family, and everyone since such a long time. I have known you in Rotary, and we've done so many things together. But there are 102 Rotary presidents of Vision Year who are hearing you now. There are 5,800 Rotarians of 3141 who are hearing you now. And I'm sure this video will be going to each and every Rotarian of District 3142 also. There will be so many non-Rotarians listening to this today. So you are going to be a source of motivation, a source of inspiration to all these people to know how 3141 and 3142 are going to join hands, do work together in 2021 to ensure that Rotary grows and we can reach the unbelievable heights in community service in years to come. So Suresh, though I know you, there's so many others who would like to know something more about you as a person, and something more about your family. Please let us know.
Thank you, Manish. Myself, Suresh Rupchandani. I'm basically an electronics engineer. I passed out from Sri Bhagubai Mafadal Polytechnic, Leparle. And after passing with the distinction from there, being a Sindhi, I started my own business of electronic plastic production, plastic profiles. And say about 2 or 3 years completing my business and having prospered it with it, I was approached by my real cousin to help him out to start a factory in Lagos, Nigeria. So I was fascinated by the going abroad and since beginning because I had a dream of going to US for doing my MS, but I could not do so. And I belong to an educated family. My father was a professor in Jain College, and my mother was professor in CHM College, Ulhasnagar. And even my sister is now professor in CHM College. So I went there in Lagos for a year, and I helped my cousin brother in developing a factory over there, starting a factory. After completing it, I came back and I again joined my brother here for that plastic manufacturing factory. So when I came back here, since I was a very social kind of person because I was missing something in the evening after the factory was closed. So one fine day, a Rotary Club of Ulhasnagar having an exhibition, having a stall at Ulhasnagar. So I went there to visit. I found a guy there having a same business like me, and we became friends. So he invited me to the Rotary, but it took time for me to join. It was in the year 2000. So ultimately, in 2001, I joined Rotary Club of Ulhasnagar Midtown first, and immediately became the secretary in 2002 and 3 during Gulam's year. And after that, I've never looked back. Immediately after that, I was asked by my club to be a president in 2005 and 6, then various posts, and then Now I'm the district chief coordinator and the district community service chair. Now, again in the Josh year, I have been appointed by RI for the post of district community service chair, looking at my work here. And again in 2021-22, our DGN, Dr. Mayuresh Varke, has given me the job of being a SMILE coordinator, looking after the administration. So one thing I was fascinated with Rotary for, sustaining in for the last 20 years in this Rotary because of this internationality. I was really fascinated by its internationality. Since I could not go to US for my doing MS, I wanted my son to be, complete my dream. So one fine day, when Dr. Bharat Pandya, our RI director, was sitting near me in our OCV in 2006 and 7, I was an IPP. So he, in a speech, he took the topic of Rotary Youth Exchange. So I was fascinated by it. When he came back and sat with me nearby, I asked him, can I send my son to US for RY? He said, why not? And you believe me, from that very dais, he called up Yogesh Zaveri and told him that I want Suresh's son to go for RY. And Yogesh Zaveri took the extra effort to send my son to US because during those times, it was like this. Whenever any student came from one country, you can change the outbound to any other country also. So I got an inbound from France, and my son went to US, New York. And ultimately the God, is I believe in God. My son, when he went there, it became a Rotary moment for me, to remember it for a lifetime. And I'm indebted to Rotary for that. My son went to Albany, New York. He was supposed to go to Albany, New York. But by the traveler's mistake, he was given the ticket of Albany, Georgia. And both the cities are so apart, like Kashmir and Kanyakumari. Yeah. So he reached at Kanyakumari while he was supposed to reach at Kashmir. and the host family was there at New York JFK Kennedy Airport. So it was dead of the night at 12 o'clock. I got a call from the host family that your son is not reached. Full plane has been empty and every passenger has gone. I got alert. I was shocked. I had given my son a phone at that time. Very big Nokia phone was there, and they were used to be very expensive. But I had given him because he was traveling for the first time. So I had a habit of keeping the district RI directory. Previously, we used to have the RI directory in a physical form. There used to become thick book like this. So I had a habit of keeping that book with me always. Immediately, I went to my office. I searched for the Albany, Georgia, nearby Rotary Club, and I found one. And with the grace of God, one of the fellows, one of the secretary of the Albany, Georgia Club, was very helpful to me and helped my son. He went to the airport at that hour and helped him to reach at the right place. So that was my Rotary movement. So, like this, many other Rotary movements was there because when an inbound came from the France, his parents were Rotarians there. His father is a very known Rotarian in Rajasthan, and they doing the water work, work for the water reservoirs, rainwater harvesting, and many others. So I invited him to my house one fine day when he was visiting India. And when he came there, coincidentally, it was the birthday of our inbound. And our club hosted his birthday in a lavish way. He was so happy, both the parents, his mother and father, were so happy that they immediately granted and agreed to a global grant with us. And that resulted in a global grant of 50,000 US dollars.
Fantastic. This is unbelievable. This,
Yeah. So this my my wish to visit US never ended here. So I ultimately my son went to do his MS there, and when he completed his MS, he called us for the convocation in 2017. So I immediately planned a visit to his convocation and immediately planned a visit to Chicago, our Tirth Sthan, Rotary's Tirth Sthan, the Rotary One Center. So that was the ultimate moment for me. I visited the Rotary One building, had a tour. Behind me, the backdrop, you can see the various pictures of Rotary One building. So that's why I'm more fascinated to the Rotary for doing the community service. And my passion is, to greet each and every Rotarian for his birthdays and anniversaries. And I had a habit of creative designing something on his photograph or something like that. So I started doing that, and people liked that. So as more and more got the likes for this, more fascinated I become, and more I, wanted to wish everyone this. Until now, I'm habitual of wishing everyone on their birthdays and anniversaries.
friends, my hospital just completed 15 years, uh, and we got a lovely video from Suresh, and it was just like the video was made in such a manner as if it's the launch of a movie. So, Suresh, you
Yeah.
have some unbelievable talent. This is more than talent. This is your feeling inside that you put it on in the form of either videos or pictures. Earlier, it used to be pictures that you should take possibly lesser manner. Now you do it in the form of videos, but you still do it every time. So this is amazing work, and you
Yeah.
are a dedicated Rotarian. You are a sincere Rotarian, and you want to be amidst doing something every now and then for the people. So you are here to make friends, Suresh, and that is our bond also since years and years and years. And I'm so happy and pleased to have a friend like you as a Rotarian whom I can proudly say that yes, I have worked with Suresh for such a long time. Suresh, this is about your Rotary life and your personal life. And these stories, I know you have so many stories to narrate that this can never end. But we also want to know something about your profession. You said into plastic. So is it plastic is same as the fiber work, or this is different? What do you do? What is your business?
No, I'm into making profiles for the industrial use. Like electrical industry, I make sleevings for them. One which are used in flex boxes, tube lights, fixtures, and other things. They can be used in other electrical purposes also. And apart from that, I started with manufacturing PVC gasket for acrylic sheets. Since in Ulhasnagar there were more factories of acrylic sheets, manufacturing acrylic sheets, I was guided by one of my uncles to start this factory, and he supported me also for that. So I started with manufacturing PVC gaskets for making acrylic sheets. It is used in the border of acrylic sheets. I mean, whichever size you want, that size of gasket you must have. Then I diverted into other products like manufacturing PVC beds for water bags in those days and pipes for water bags inside. But now it has been replaced by the Bisleri bottles and other things. So the usage has been very low. But I still continue to do the same and I got diverted into other fields. Now I'm manufacturing into plastic canes, which is used for the furniture industries. I mean, I'm manufacturing a plastic tape, which is used wrapped down the wooden cane furniture or even the metallic furniture, which is used for the outdoor furniture in swimming pools or any other five-star hotels.
Okay, this is a
And
lovely.
likewise, I mean, anything in profiles, they come to me, I help them making it.
So it's all customized.
And
Any
I'm the one of the only profile manufacturer in Ulhasnagar. I have the monopoly of that.
oh, that's great, because in Ulhasnagar you look out for one thing, you've got 20 people doing it. So
Yes,
retaining a monopoly in Ulhasnagar itself a big thing. Congrats
itself
for
is
that.
a big.
Suresh, this was about your business, but 3141 and 3142 has to remain bound to each other. You are uh, in the district 3141 and 3142 coordination committee, and you're going to play a very important role in the coming year. Let us know something about what 3141 and 3142 are doing together, and what are your plans as a Rotarian and as one of the senior visionary Rotarians, because sooner or later 3142 you are going to be uh, the person whose ideas are going to be heard and executed very strongly in years to come. We are aware of this. I am not using the word, but we both are aware of that. But uh, let us know about your vision for Rotary and how 3141 and 3142 are doing things together.
So nice of you, Manish. Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot, firstly, for giving me the opportunity for working with this team, coordinating committee team. When we used to be together in 3140, I mean, we enjoyed a lot of fellowship. We enjoyed a lot of togetherness. We did more and more projects together. And we used to visit, in 3142, we really missed those Renaissance, Lila, Penta, and JW Marriotts. So it is my wish now to work together. Every now and then, each and every governor, likes to have the project projects done together, and we have been doing together a lot of projects like Lohri. Rotary Club of Navi Mumbai Palm Beach does that every year. 3141 comes to the Washi, and we enjoy a lot. We do Garba together, Dandiya. And I remember the Holi, which you had organized in 2014-15 at Mulund. I really remember it very well. So we can have the Holi together. We can have a lot of more projects together. We are doing pediatric heart surgeries in 3141 also. You are doing it in 3142. We have a dedicated Rotarian who is looking after that. And microfinance is there, another field which we can do together. And my idea is to have the pairing club between 3141 and 3142 together, so that, I mean, we have so much vast area of rural areas where the 3141 clubs can have the projects like water dams, toilets, schools, other projects, literacy, and whatever the new 8 verticals are have been given by our RI president nominee, we can work in those areas with help, with your guidance and support, with finance also. So my vision is that 3141 and 3142 have the lot of scope together, and we can enjoy the fellowship together also.
Fantastic. Suresh, lovely thoughts. It's been so nice listening to you and your ideas, your thoughts for Rotary, your thoughts for 3141, 3142. We wish you all the best for your Rotary journey. We know it's going to be a very rosy one in time to come because you are a dedicated Rotarian, you are a sincere Rotarian, you are a Rotarian who knows that he has to work, and you are a worker, you're a grassroots worker, you are a person who keeps people together. And these type of helpful people are the ones whom people look at the biggest of positions in Rotary. And again, not using the word, but wishing you all the very best for each and every dream of yours in Rotary to come true, because a person like you should be the one who works as a leader. Thank you, Suresh,
Thanks.
for taking out time coming on this talk show. I've loved every moment of it. It's been a thorough pleasure. Hope you also enjoyed being on this talk show. And together, let's ensure that Rotary will lead to unbelievable heights in time to come.
Thanks a lot, Manish. Thanks for your wishes and blessings.
Thank you so much, Suresh. Thank you.